guys, my name is CJ. I'm the Blackstone bartender. Today I'm gonna put a really delicious twist on the classic old fashioned. I'm gonna be smoking some blackberries using some Jack Daniel's smoked wood chips. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So before we get into our cocktail ingredients, we need to get our griddle top ready. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on high and put some Jack Daniel's wood chips into an aluminum tin. We want that to get screaming hot, so we need to leave it on there for about 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you see that billowing smoke. All right, let's get into the cocktail ingredients. We're gonna be creating kind of an aluminum boat where we're gonna put our blackberries in. And now we are gonna be putting down a cooling rack. That's where our berries are gonna sit. We don't want that direct heat. We wanna allow some air to be moving under that so the smoke moves around and really penetrates the berries. Now we're gonna cover those. You can either use a dome, or if you happen to have a lid on your griddle top, we're gonna go ahead and close that now. We're gonna let those smoke for about 10 to 15 minutes or until you see those colors really blooming. And now it's time to get into the cocktail. For this, you're gonna need a shaker and a muddle. Once we add our berries to our shaker, you're going to just press and twist and really break up that meat and get that juice exposed in our muddle in preparation for the other cocktail ingredients. We're gonna be using a rye whiskey. A traditional old-fashioned calls for rye, so that's what we're gonna do. It's only 2 ounces of that rye whiskey, a couple shakes of orange bitters and Angostura bitters, a bar spoon of simple syrup. We're gonna add just a couple pieces of ice. We're gonna give that a stir and our cocktail ingredients are ready. We're gonna strain that into a rocks glass over a beautiful piece of ice, or neat if you prefer, but wait, there's more. If you've got a tall glass, we can fill that with ice, add some Sprite, and then we can strain those ingredients right into that cup. And my friends, you have got a spritz bourbon berry old fashioned that is sure to cut through the summer heat. Let's drink up.